it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing. All right, I have part 4 for you today of my entomology grungy junk journal, and we will be finishing it up. Today, what I want to do is I want to make the closure and sew in the signatures. But before we get to that, I want to show you, I added a few things because I felt it was a little lacking. On here, I don't know if I added anything over here or not, but here I added corresponding order, and here I just made another one of those, and I didn't put the laminating. I didn't laminate it because this specimen is laminated and it fit right in there, and I love that. Okay, so what I want to do today first is I want to make this closure. So I'm going to take the inside out of the journal and do the closure first. So what you'll need is an awl. You could do this with a Crop-A-Dile. That might be the smart thing to do. I might just use my Crop-A-Dile for this part. So a Crop-A-Dile, an awl, anything like that. I'm going to be using, I think, some small brads, and I want to use some eyelets. And these are I think it's the 3/16, okay? And then I want to use this Tim Holtz little embellishment that looks like a keyhole. I think it is so cute. Then I'm pretty sure, use this for the closure because I bought this from the Paper Studio in a big package probably a year or two ago, or maybe just a year ago, but I thought it would go nicely with this. And I'll probably use my knips to cut something off with. And then I'm just using this. I got this at Walmart. It's just ecru DMC floss, okay? So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I was looking, and I can't remember a key. I think it goes like this. I think that goes there. I don't guess it really matters, but anyway, I'm going to do mine like this. I really would like to put it about right here, and I think I can still do that. I think it won't be a problem. Okay. So I like it right about here. So let's see if we can do this and get it right where I think, is that going to be too far back? No, I don't think so. Okay, so I'm going to put this, about right here. Okay, there's our hole. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a pencil, and I'm going to try to trace it. But I think I can really just put this in here, and it'll, because I have it set. But I wanted to get roughly the same place. Okay. Hopefully that is good. Now I want to put in a grommet here. I want to put in this one. It's 3/16, and I'm going to put it, okay. All right, I pushed that in there, and what I'm thinking, I didn't put that over far enough. Ugh. It had to go over much farther. Okay, so let's see. Let's see where I want this. I think it'll cover. Now, I don't know it'll cover on the back or not. I may have to put something back there. All right. Okay, where is this gonna go? For that, it would have to go right about here on its little leg, like. So I'm gonna put that back a little further. See? Oh, it may not go that far. I may just have to live with it. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to live with it and revamp my plan. Okay, that'll be all right. We probably won't use this. If I could have put it over farther, I was going to put this down in here, and I thought that would look really cute. And then I was going to put little brads, but that's not going to work. So I'm just going to do like this. That'll be fine. I'll just use this on something else. Okay, so I'm back to my 3/16. Okay, all right. And I'm just going to put this in here. That looks really good. I love that. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing over here. And I have these. I've bought these several places. Amazon. I bought some of them from Temu. Some of them are, we are memory keepers. Okay, then this is going to go here like that. And I'm going to put this right in here like that. And clamp that down. Okay, so I think that's really cute. Now, what I was thinking about doing, but I'll probably put this in after I do the signatures. I'm going to thread that through there. Okay, so we've got that much done. Now it's time to sew the signatures in. So let me go ahead, thread my needle, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's threaded. I'm going to do, I think, because I want to make sure I have enough. I'm giving myself plenty room for a tail. And then I'm going to do, you're really only supposed to do 3 times the width of your book. But I'm going to give it a little extra just in case. And I'm going to do the pamphlet stitch. It's really easy to do, but we have to do our holes first. Okay, so I was looking in here, and I need to, the way this is, I want these still sticking up, so I need to like make sure these are level on the bottom, because this is supposed to stick up at the top. And I'm going to get some clips. Okay, didn't know how many I need, so I just brought a bunch. Okay, so I'll make sure that's down in there and lined up. Okay, then I'm going to take these binder clips. Just clamp them on all of this. Well, first I'm going to clamp them on this. I'm going to try to go through all this at once. I don't know, it may not be a good idea, but that is what I'm going to do. Okay. So this side needs to come down. All right. And then I'm going to put one up here and probably one here. Probably the bigger one for over here. Okay, then I am going to sort of split the difference. Or do I want it like that? I think I might want it like that. I think I want it down like this. Right in there like that. Okay. So, like I said, this might not be the wisest thing to do, but I'm going to do it. I think I'll put this down here. This is so thick. I have so much there, so much bulk. put this right like that. Okay. Now when I shut that, that should be where I want it. And what I did, I've already measured from the bottom 3/4 of an inch, and I made a mark with a pencil. I doubt you can see it. From the top, 3/4 of an inch, made a mark. Then I got my little centering ruler that I love and found the center and put a mark there, okay? So all I have to do, I don't want to put eyelets in this. I'm just going to get this piece of wood, and I'm going to try to go right through all of it, and I did. That is easy, okay? And then I'm going to go through here, and then I'm going to go through here, and I'm going to put it through there so I don't have any trouble. Push it in just a little bit. Okay, let's get it in out there. Okay, now start doing that. Okay, I've got my holes all the way through. This one maybe needs to be a little bigger. Okay. All right, that was simple. Now I'm going to take my needle. It's probably, hopefully won't be a long video. All right. Okay, you don't knot your thread. I'm going to go down through the center. And leave you a tail. Then I'm going to go up through this bottom. Then I'm going to go down at the top. Okay, leave you a tail. I have a tendency. Okay, then what you want to do is go up through this middle again, but come out on the other side of that string, okay? Okay, then we're going to pull it. Then I'm going to cut this off. Now, I didn't wax this thread or anything like that. All right. And you want to pull diagonally. And then I'm going to make, mine's pretty tight, I can tell. I'm going to make a knot, a double knot. And then I'm going to cut this off. Okay. And we have our signatures sewn in. I think we'll take these off. It's such an easy way to bind a book. This worked out really well. Okay, and you can see it's bound in here. I love it. Okay, now all we have to do is, and you could grunge this up if you wanted. I don't really want to. I'm just going to, I think, get my awl back again and just kind of poke this in here like that. Then I'm going to tie a knot right here so it won't come back out. Okay, and I don't care, you know, how nice this is or neat, because this is a junk journal, okay? And I'm going to cut it, oh, probably about to right here, okay? Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to flip this over. Put this right in here. Okay, once you get it in there, just tie you a little knot so that it won't slip through the eyelet. Okay, and that's not going to. then figure out how much you're going to need. I think I'll just be generous and cut mine right here. Then all you have to do is tie it, and we have our junk journal finished. I love how this little entomology grungy junk journal turned out. Let's take a look at it. All right, here it is. I think that is so adorable. I love how the spine turned out. You could put eyelets in there if you wanted. I just really didn't want to. Then you can untie this. And then when we open it, I think that looks really cute. So this is how it all turned out. Here's his tools to collect all of his specimens and look at them. Here's his specimens. I'm sorry about that glare on those little bees. Then here's his pen, and here's where he takes his notes. Then this right here is just all the information about the various specimens. I love that. Then we close this little folio up. Then we have this, the beetle. You open it up. Here's his specimen he actually collected, and it has a hidden pocket where he wrote all of his information about his specimen on there. I just love these little specimen slides. They're so cute. So we'll put it in the pocket. Here's his information about his specimen, and that told him what he was looking for. Then this one, we're going to open this. This is our butterfly. Here's our little butterfly specimen. Okay, I love how this turned out. These are like maybe the coordinates where he found it. I don't know. Then here's the bee. Look at that, how cute. When you take this bee specimen out, look how cute that is. And I decorated the back on all of them. Okay, then you see this. I just think this is precious. Then for this one, you have the beetle, okay? And he's taking a closer look at that specimen. All this is written. And then over here would be the classification charts for what he was looking for. And then there is the back. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a grungy entomology junk journal. If you did, I would love it if you'd like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.